In this video, you will learn how to use layers in AutoCAD to control line weights for different objects and lines. So you started apps on demand and I did fast forward and then start a new project and go to layer, and the layer properties open the layers window, and you create new layers using this first icon and give different names. Rename the layers wall, first one, and then give yellow color, and then line weight become 0.5 millimeter. Second one, in window layer, cyan color like a sky blue, and then change line weight to 0.3 millimeter. And then furniture layer will be green color, I forgot here, but 0.2 millimeter. And then pattern layer, which is thinnest layer, and the color will be red. And go back to furniture to green, and the red layer is 0.0 millimeter. Now I create the dashed, and that's the white color layer, and then 0.15 millimeter. Change the line and style, load dashed line style, and then make sure you select the dashed type, and then this is it. And let's draw lines. Trying to move the layer panel, but it become a little tricky. So you place the panel in the center of the drawing canvas, then it seems to work. So use line tool and make sure the zero layer is current, which means this is green check mark, and then second one is wall, and then go to line, and then this is wall layer line, and then window, and make sure this is the right layer, and then draw the next line in furniture layer, which is green, and then pattern layer red, this time circle, and then dash layer another circle. And then we want to check how the thickness of the line. So go to plot, and then make Microsoft PDF, and then area to plot is a window, then preview. So instead of line weight, you see different colors, so you need to change that. Convert line colors to line weight. So this is plot style table. Select all the colors to be black, and everything as is. Save, and then preview. Now the colors are became different line weights. So to refresh your memory, we are using text tool to give name to each line. So make sure you remember. This is zero layer and white color. This text seems a little too small. Then use, instead of the height of the text, let's use scale tool. Select, enter, pick to the base point, and then drag it to enlarge, and then copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then edit the text already there. And this one is wall layer, yellow color, 0.5 millimeter, and then change the layer to actually I didn't change the layer, it was just color changed. Then this one is cyan, but the wind and door layer, cyan color, 0.3 millimeter. And then this time I'm changing the layer, the color to be cyan. Actually, I didn't change the layer, it's a color. Then the green one is the furniture layer, and green color 0.2 millimeter. So I'm only changing the color, not the layer. Okay, and the red layer is pattern, and it's a red color, 0.00 millimeter. And then just change the color to red, and then here it's a dashed, it's a white color, and 0.15 millimeter. Okay, let's check one more time the plot screen in PDF and window, and determine the area to print. Make sure it's all black. Okay, this is it.